Good morning, students. Welcome back to the mathematics class. Now, general questions. This is the mathematics class, your mathematics class. What number do you get when you multiply all of the numbers on a telephone number pad? In the telephone number pad, you are having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, what will be the number which you get when you multiply all the numbers? So answer should be 0, because 0 is multiplied to any of the number, the answer will be 0. So with the beginning, we will start the chapter real number. In real number, we are having introduction, division algorithm, Euclid division algorithm or Euclid division lemma, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, rational and irrational numbers, their decimal expansion. So this is the chapter first detail which we will do real number. So what is a real number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basically in class 9th you read that rational and irrational number, they are real numbers. A real number is a value that represents quantity along a line. It consists of all rational and irrational numbers. So basically all natural number, whole number, integers, rational, irrational are termed as real numbers. So if you see rational, integers, whole numbers, natural number, irrational numbers, they all are real numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers, this you have read in your previous classes, they will start from 1. Whole numbers are those which will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Rational number is a number whose decimal expansion is either terminating or reoccurring, or a number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, they are where Q is not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Examples of rational number: 3 can be written as 3 upon 1. 6.73 decimal expansion is terminating. 5 is to 2 by 7, 37 by 7, again it is written in the form P upon Q. So these all are the examples of rational numbers. All irrational numbers are which are not rational. An irrational number is endless non-repeating digits to the right side of the decimal point, means a number whose decimal expansion is neither terminating nor reoccurring, ना तो टर्मिनेट हो डेसिमल्स के बाद और ना जो डेसिमल्स के बाद के डिजिट हैं वो रिपीट हों, दैट नंबर इज सेड टू बी इरेशनल. अंडर रूट 6 the value is 2.4494. Irrational 4.6 is terminating, so it is rational. It is not irrational. Under root 12 is an irrational because it is 3.4641 and so on, neither repeating nor terminating. Under root 49 means 7. 7 is not rational. 7 is not irrational. So 7 is rational. So these are the mixed example of irrational number and rational number. Division algorithm. If we have two positive integers a and b, then there exist unique integers q and r, in which you can write a is equal to bq plus r, where r lies between 0 to b, means किसी भी बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो वी विल राइट बड़ा नंबर मीन्स a इज इक्वल टू b, डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. The basic application of this division algorithm is to calculate highest common factors of two positive integers. Let me do one question. Example first is in NCERT. Use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF of 4052 and 12576. 12576 को 4052 से डिवाइड करना है. So we will write it as step 1, 12,576 is equal to 4052 into 3 plus remainder is 420. अब जो हमारा डिविडेंड है वो हमारा क्वोशेंट बन जाएगा. मीन्स डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशेंट प्लस रिमाइंडर. 4052 विल बी नाउ डिविडेंड. इसको रिमाइंडर यानी कि 420 से डिवाइड किया तो 420 इंटू 9 प्लस 272. वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस प्रोसेस एज द रिमाइंडर कम्स 0. स्टेप 2 में 4052 को जब 420 से डिवाइड किया सो इट इज़ 420 इंटू 9 प्लस 272. रिमाइंडर जो है वो 272 है. रिमाइंडर अब डिवाइज़र बन गया और जो डिवाइज़र था वो डिविडेंड बन गया. यानी कि अब 420 को 272 से किया. अगेन सेम स्टेप. रिमाइंडर इज़ 148. फिर 272 को 148 से किया. रिमाइंडर इज़ 124. 124 को 148 को 124 से डिवाइड किया. वी आर हैविंग 124 इंटू 1 प्लस 24. Again we will continue this process. Now 24 is a remainder, so 24 will become the divisor और 124 will become the dividend. ये आ गया 24 इंटू 5 प्लस 4. रिमाइंडर अभी भी 0 नहीं आ रहा. तो अब 4 जो है रिमाइंडर 4 बन गया डिवाइजर और 24 बन गया डिविडेंड. इन लास्ट स्टेप 24 is equal to 6 into 24 plus remainder is 0. So in last step you remember that remainder when becomes 0, the process of this division terminates. रुक जाएगा ये प्रोसेस. HCF जो है वो आपका डिवाइजर होगा लास्ट जो भी आया. Here the divisor is 4. Divisor is 4, so HCF of 4052 and 12576 is 4. Thank you.